Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have your slide and the asset ready. Now create the freeform path that defines the background. Use the freeform or pen tool and click anchor points around the area you want black. Make corners precise and add curves where needed. Once you close the path, set the shape fill to pure black and remove or set stroke to none. Make sure the shape covers all intended pixels. Don't worry about overlaps yet, you'll tidy layers next. Once the black shape exists, position it correctly in the layer stack so foreground objects remain visible. If the tool supports Boolean operations, subtract foreground areas from the freeform to create clean cutouts. Otherwise, duplicate foreground objects, convert them to masks, and use them to punch holes. Then refine edges with a small feather or anti-alias setting to prevent jagged lines. Make sure you finalize by exporting at the exact resolution you need. Pick PNG if you require transparency elsewhere, or a flattened JPG if you want a simple black background. Verify the color profile so black renders as true 0 values rather than dark gray. Switch to sRGB if colors look off. If you see halos or fringe around cutouts, nudge the mask outward by 1 to 2 pixels, or apply a subtle blur to blend edges, and then re-export. If problems persist, undo the last mask and redo the subtraction carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.